Look at this. So my alternator cracked just over there. Okay, what happened? Yesterday I tried to start the car, and a few seconds after started, there's screaming noise, very loud, very scary, and then I turned off the engine. And I tried several times, and the car couldn't be started. It seems like very hard for the battery to turn the engine, and also the noise is still there. I charged the battery and tried again, still not started. And today I removed the drive belt and found everything okay. Everything can easily turn, and like this can even turn. If your hand there, you can't see, and everything turn easily. And then I try to put the belt on, but after I put the belt on, it seems very hard to turn the engine. The crankshaft is not difficult to turn, but after I put the belt on, it's very hard to turn the crankshaft. And then I make the drive belt. You can see the drive belt at the bottom over there. I try to make the drive belt rather loose, and to say if it's can start engine. And even the timing belt very loose. After I put it on and tighten the bolt, so we have the alternator bolt. You can see here. It's alternator pivot bolt, and there's also at the bottom of the alternator there's the tension adjuster over there, and there's the two bolts for secure the tension adjuster. So after I tighten the bolt, and then it's difficult to turn the engine, and then I figured out it doesn't matter if you tighten the bolt at the adjuster here, but if you tighten the bolt on the top, and then the pulley will be seized, will be locked up. And if you release the bolt, and the pulley can turn freely. I don't know if the alternator is still working, but then when I check, I found the crack on the alternator. So you can see the crack. Yeah, I will try. Definitely I'm going to replace the alternator, and then I will try to not tighten this pivot bolt, and to say if it's still working, if I can still drive for a few days.